Hello and welcome back to part second of Next.js beginner tutorial. Today we will be building the dark mode of the Navbar. So let's start by installing React icon. Okay, React icon when installed, let's install Next.js to use it for that theme toggle component. Now let's create a component called theme toggle and for theme toggle. Let's create on Shadcn before you change the name, and we also need uh, state and the line and line content to store we also need we have oh problem here state that we have that line to no no on the time on the 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 button here button that's something is uh, the and the thing is the that's of it to down the class and and we do not pass for. Okay, that's that's we will better for this component. Let's make this component to client. For its client component, um, in Next.js, every component is basically a server component. So when we create component which uses any hooks like use state, use effect, or use theme, or any custom hook, then this will be a client component. So to make a client component, we have to do this use line at the top of the component, make it a client component so that we can properly as a client component. Otherwise, it will show an error that state or any hook is not cannot be used. Use the first item, over for dependencies should be installed, and okay, let's add a button so that is there. Looking for the button. Uh, let's move to the next step, which is putting a more putting this button. So now let's press it here and let's the one thing we need to use to create a tailwind big file and forward. This is for the direction. We will be using we are using classes and you can see here for that for that we have defined tailwind config that a class that for dark mode we will use a class dark transfer but and next step will be a theme provider and the layout. So dark mode will be also at all the places so we will put this thing on a root load. So use a theme provider and extract and define attribute that task all in and then so let's check. Okay, now app is running and let's check if this code is working or not. So, okay, start and live mode with the Tailwind CSS class and Shadcn. So this is how we can make dark and light theme. And one more thing I have done as a first showing on because the name layout. Like this is a name. We don't need HTML tag here because the root layout already has one as a body. So we can make divs here or anything to wrap other layout inside. So if we are using more than one component, so we can make a div and each component share and filter inside. So then it will work. That's it. So that's it for this video, and I will meet you in part 2. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribe my channel.